Let me tell you a small story. There was a small bird named Chiku. Chiku always wanted to fly high in the sky. But some birds laughed and said, "Your wings are so small, you cannot fly so high." Chiku felt so sad. But inside, he told himself, "My wings are small, but I will practice every day." Every morning, Chiku flapped his wings, tried, fell down, get up again. Days passed. Chiku's wings became stronger. One day, Chiku flew higher than all the other birds who had laughed at him. Now the same bird said, "We always know Chiku would fly so high." Some even said he was lucky. But Chiku smiled and thought, "It was not lucky. It was my belief and my hard work and my practice." My dear friends, life is like Chiku's story. Some people will laugh at your dreams. Some will doubt you. But never stop believing in yourself. Success does not come in one day. It comes step by step, with practice, with patience, and with courage. When someone says you cannot do it, you should say, "Just wait and watch. One day I will do it." So, believe in yourself, work hard. One day, like Chiku, the world will clap for your success.